Saturday the 5th, and I've just arrived back in Sydney at Central Station near the Grand Concourse outside. This is the Murray's bus that's just stopped and just picked up our luggage. There's the clock tower. Now I'm just going to cross and I'm just going to have a look at what the Transport Expo setup is like. So follow me. I was going to cross at the front of the bus, but then I thought it's probably safer to cross at the crossing, and it gets you across to the Grand Concourse. Well, not directly, but almost. Oh, stuff it, just jaywalk. Everyone else is. As long as there's no traffic coming in. So this weekend, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, is the Heritage Transport Expo, or Transport Heritage Expo, and I have blacklisted it from my things to do and see because of what's happening with their plans and their changes and cancellations. But that doesn't mean I won't take a ride on the vintage buses if I get a chance. It's a nice looking bus, that Murray's that we just alighted from. It's very futuristic inside, very blue light. Bit of a breeze in Sydney arriving back. It's actually 6:50, 6:45, 6:50 now. So we can actually have a look at some of the trains that are on this way.
Skateboarders, scooters or skates on the concourse or platforms is not permitted.
We've all seen one of these before. So that's just the departure timetable for these trains. So the vintage bus rides out there, and this is a tram, not a full one, and you can actually buy merchandise, but I have never bothered to because it's really expensive. A vintage taxi. That's a new one. Oh, there's more. Okay.
Itu ke Lavender Bay ya.
So they've probably got tickets available because online when I had a look, they actually didn't sell out, so there should be tickets still available. Let's have a look at this one. That's the Aurora. Is it called Aurora? The one that you can have refreshments. So that doesn't move, that stays there. And then you have this one here, who I always call Chuggington. I think that was the one the big deal was made about, the W set being cancelled and replaced with an F set. So if anyone was planning to go to that, I think that might be the one that was cancelled. I could be wrong. So there you go. That's the Transport Heritage Expo. This is on over this weekend, but I'm not going to. I think I've had my fun for the weekend, so it's time to rest and catch up and try and get over this cold, the end of my cold. Don't you love the uniforms I used to wear? So that logo there, it's like the old City Rail logo. The one that I had on my video about Edgecliff Station, the forgotten station, where they had a similar logo to that except in an orangey colour scheme rather than the blue and white colour scheme.
Riding bicycles, skateboards, scooters or skates on the concourse or platforms is
So
not
thanks for
permitted.
watching, and now I'm on my way home on the train and a bus.